warm welcome to everyone from the SalesPanda team. In this particular segment of the video series, we will learn in depth about Instagram marketing. Instagram is a photo and video sharing social networking platform owned by Facebook Incorporated. 1 billion people use Instagram every month. As of January 2020, 80 million plus users are from India. 63% of Instagram users log in at least once per day and 42% check it multiple times per day. The single most popular age range is users between the ages of 25 to 34. 200 million Instagram users visit at least one business profile daily. 500 million people use Instagram stories. 1/3 of the most viewed stories are from businesses. Instagram's potential advertising reach is 849.3 million users. These stats prove that Instagram is an important part of the entire digital marketing landscape and could be very beneficial for businesses. Let's look at how we can incorporate it into our overall social media strategy. To begin with, let's create a profile on Instagram. Go to https://www.instagram.com and sign up to create a new account. You can also sign up through the Instagram app by downloading it from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Add your email ID, phone number, full name, username and set a password. You may also log in using your existing Facebook account. Add your date of birth. Your profile is set up. Let's add some more details. Click Edit Profile. Add your profile photo or logo. Add your website URL. Add details to your bio. Clearly communicate what you do. You may add emojis, symbols, and hashtags to your bio as well. Click Save. This account that we have created is a regular Instagram account beneficial for personal use. If you are looking at branding your business and reaching out to a larger audience, we recommend switching to an Instagram professional account. Instagram professional account has been conceptualized specially for business use. The Instagram professional account allows you to optimize your Instagram profile for business use. The businesses can share additional details like your business category, physical address, and contact numbers. It also provides access to insights about the post, performance, follower activity, and audience-related data. You can add web links to your Instagram stories if you have a professional account. This feature is available only for accounts which are verified or have more than 10,000 followers. It is important to have an Instagram professional account if you want to run ads on Instagram. You will have to link your Instagram professional account to a Facebook page to run ads on Instagram. As we can see, the Instagram professional account offers more features. It is advisable to switch your account to a professional account, especially if you're using it for business purposes. Let's look at how to make the switch. Go to your profile page, click Menu on the top right hand corner and click Settings. Select Account, scroll down and select Switch to Professional Account. It will show two options, Creator and Business. Creator account is for public figures, content producers, artists and influencers. Business account is for local businesses, brands, retailers, service providers and organizations. In this case, let's choose business. It shows you the advantages of having a business account. Click Next. Choose your business category. Add the contact number, email ID address and the physical address of your business and save it. You can choose to link it to your Facebook page now or do so later. Your Instagram professional account is ready. Let's now add a post from our Instagram professional account. Click on the plus sign. Select an image from your gallery. You can also record a video or click an image instantly and add it. Choose multiple images option to add more than one image. Click Next, add a location to the post, add caption to your images, make the caption interesting and engaging, add relevant hashtags. The numbers on the right-hand side of the hashtag indicates the number of posts till date that have used the hashtag you are adding. Now click Share. That's it. You have posted for the first time on Instagram. At this stage, we would like to share some tips about posting on Instagram. Post consistently on social media platforms. Create a schedule for your posts and post regularly. Instagram is a very visual medium, and hence make sure that your creatives and videos look good. Invest a bit in content if required to make your images and videos look professional. Post variety of content, and with the help of analytics, understand which type of content your consumers like and post more content as per their preferences. Initially, try different times of the day and days to understand when you get maximum engagement. Once you have a clear understanding of it, make sure you consistently post on those days and on the specific time. Do thank your followers for liking, commenting, and sharing your content. You may invite your followers to generate content and tag your account. For example, give the users to perform a small task, post about it, and tag your account in the post. Create a unique hashtag of your brand and ask the users to use the brand hashtag as well in the content they generate. If used effectively, hashtags in Instagram can help your post reach more people. Hashtags can be added in the caption, that is, body of the post, as well as in the comment section. You can use up to 30 tags on a post. If you include more than 30 tags on a single photo or video, your comment will not be posted. You can also search hashtags on Instagram. Let us understand searching on Instagram in detail. To search, click on the search icon below and you will see the Explore page. The content seen on the Explore page of Instagram is different for each user. It contains posts like by people whose posts you've liked, posts from accounts similar to those that you follow, and posts with high engagement. It provides an opportunity for Instagram business owners to organically reach people who might not be following them, but may be interested in the services you offer. Let's search hashtag financial services. The results are categorized into top, accounts, tags, and places. Top shows the hashtags that are most used by people related to your search term. You can see the numbers mentioned below each hashtag. Accounts will show the most followed accounts related to the hashtag. Tags will show how many posts have used the hashtag. Places will show addresses of businesses associated with the search term nearby your selected location. You can also follow the hashtag to see the posts using the hashtag in your Instagram feed. Instagram also suggests related hashtags to the one you have searched. You can also see the top posts, that is, the posts that have received maximum engagement for that specific search term. It also shows the most recent posts using the hashtag. Go through the top posts, study and analyze the post getting maximum engagement, create content on similar topics, add the hashtag you searched for as well as the related hashtag suggested by Instagram, and post it from your account. As a brand, always create a unique hashtag for your brand and add it to the post. Mix and match various hashtags and see which of them give you the best result. Make sure you use those which are relevant to your post, or else it might be considered as spamming and will limit the reach of your post. You can also send a direct message, aka DM, to accounts. On your homepage, click arrow on the top right hand corner of the window. You may search the contact you want to send a direct message to. Select the account you want to send ATM. You can add an image, video, heart emoji, audio and GIF image. Next, let's see how to upload videos on Instagram. If your video is of less than 60 seconds, you can upload and view it the way you upload the images. For videos more than 60 seconds and up to 60 minutes long, you will have to view and upload it on a separate app provided by Instagram known as IGTV. Download the app from the Android Play Store or Apple App Store. Once downloaded, it auto-detects the Instagram account on your mobile. Select the account, click plus. On the top, select the video you want to upload from your gallery, add a cover image. Add a title to the video. Adding descriptions is optional. That said, do add a brief summary about the video as the hashtag to it. You also have an option to keep a preview on the normal Instagram apps feed. Click post. Now, also upload video on IGTV from the web application. Go to your profile. You can see the IGTV option. Click IGTV. Click upload video. Click the plus sign on the left hand side to add a video from your device. You can drag and drop the video file too. Add a cover image, title and description for the video. Once ready, post the video. Instagram also allows you to share an Instagram story with your followers. You can post a photo or video as an Instagram story. As mentioned earlier, 500 million people use Instagram stories. 1/3 of the most viewed stories are from businesses. To post stories, click on the plus sign on your image logo. Select the image or video from the gallery that you want to share as a story. You can select multiple photos or videos as well. You can add location, add questions, add hashtags and text as well on your story. Go ahead and explore the various options available. Once done, share the story. Photos and videos you share to your story disappear from feed, your profile and direct after 24 hours. That said, you can add the stories as highlight and showcase it on your profile. You can also stream live using Instagram Live feature. For Instagram Live, click the same plus we clicked for Instagram Story. You may also use the feature by swiping right if you are on the home page of your profile. You can see live written below. Click it, then it will display a message when you are live. We have kept a tape and hence the view is blurred. You can ask questions to your followers, add comments as well as view them in the comment section of the live video. Click end live when you want to stop the live session. Instagram will also send a notification to all your followers when you go live. It can be a great tool to engage with your customers, share your knowledge, provide a backstage view of your business, new product launch, etc. A very important feature that Instagram's professional account provides us is analytics. Open the post you want to see the analytics for. Click View Insights. You can see the number of likes, comments, direct messages and number of people who have saved your profile. It also shows the number of profile visits from the posts, reach and impressions. If you want to view collective insights for all posts, click menu on the top right hand side and select Insights. Here you can see the insights for content, activity and audience. Since this is a demo account that we have created, the data is marginal. Under Content, you can view insights for posts, stories and promotions if any. Under Activity, you can learn more about how your followers discovered your post or profile and the engagement with it. Under Audience, it displays the number of followers for the specified time usage. You can run ads on Instagram. To do so, you will have to first connect the Instagram account to your Facebook page. Go to your Facebook page, click Settings. On the left-hand side, scroll down and click on Instagram account. Connect your Instagram account using your credentials. Once connected, you will be able to run ads on Instagram. If you want to run ads only on Instagram, go to the Ads Manager, select the campaign objective, and in the placements, select only Instagram. In the Ad section, select the Instagram account. The other steps for ad creation remain the same. For detailed video on Facebook ads, refer to our Facebook marketing video series. In this session, we learned about Instagram marketing. In this, we created an Instagram profile and converted it into a business account. We also learned about different features and functionalities of Instagram, including hashtags, search, stories, live, and highlights. We also looked at the analytics available within Instagram. This video is created by Team SalesPanda. SalesPanda is an advanced marketing automation platform for channel partners, delivering efficient and easy-to-use channel marketing solutions for resellers, distributors, partners, agents, and dealers. SalesPanda platform has made wide-scale applications in various industry verticals, including mutual fund and financial services, insurance, real estate, information technology, etc. SalesPanda is an easy-to-use, hassle-free and scalable SaaS-based platform designed to help brands and their channel partners optimize their digital reach in no time. For more such videos about digital marketing, subscribe to our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get instant notifications when we upload a new video.